This is my final project for the subject data center, and my topic is scalable smart inventory management system. And this is the project overview. Uh, the goal of the project is to design and implement a scalable smart inventory management system that leverages modern technologies and which effectively explains the real-time management of an inventory. The system will track inventory levels, trigger alarm when product falls below a threshold, and stock inventory data for analysis and reporting. And these are the software components which I have used for my project: Flask for web framework, SQL for data management system, Redis for in-memory, RabbitMQ for message broker, and Docker for the containerization platform. This is the system architecture of my project, which the system architecture pretty much explains almost everything which I've done in the project in a very simple way. Now let's get into the demo. Let me open the terminal. Now, once we verify that the Docker is connected, we can run this command, and we could see that it is successfully pulling out the data from the random data generator, which is generate underscore data dot py. Now we need to insert the data in the MySQL database. That can be done by there. Now we could see 100 records have been inserted. Now we need to check if the SQL has the data or does it not contain the data. Now we need to see that by going through the terminal into the SQL. Now we are in the SQL database. Now we need to get into the inventory management data. Now that can be done by inventory. Now we are in the inventory database. Now describing the product, and let's print out the first 10 products. This shows that there is data inside the SQL. Now we need to trigger the alerts. We can trigger the alerts by accessing through the fast API, which can be done by this. And we need to check the other API endpoint. So whenever we have this problem, we need to restart the Docker, and everything should be okay after that. Let's run it again. Now we could see everything works perfect. Now we need to catch the alerts that is exposed on RabbitMQ. That can be done by this command. As you could see, successfully copied. Now we need to run that. And you could see all the alerts which are going to the message broker, because all the ones are below 50, because that's a limit which we have kept for each product. Every product which is under 50 will be receiving an alert to the customer. Now we need to check the working of the Redis. Redis is basically a cache where when Redis is used when a large scale of data. Let's see if it works. It should print out Pong. Perfect. Now we can also check the RabbitMQ spike. Let me refresh this. Yeah, as you could See, there is a spike in the RabbitMQ UI. That means the alerts have been sent to the RabbitMQ. Now let's get back into the testing and debugging of the project. And the main things which I went through is message query testing, API logs, and the RabbitMQ logs. And for the performance limitation, the RabbitMQ query overload, Redis cache invalidation, Flask API throughput, and MySQL query performance. These are the things which are the performance limitations for my project. Thank you so much.